When you talk of fertilizers, it's important to also understand the dangers of over fertilizing your pepper. If you provide too much fertilizer, your pepper plants will show you leaves will develop brown spots, usually towards the edge of the leaf. If you notice brown spots and have ruled out disease, you may be overfeeding your plants. Non-organic liquid nutrients are the most likely to cause nutrient burn, since they are immediately available for plant use. One option is to flush the nutrients from the soil to reduce the amount of excess compounds. To flush your potted pepper plants, water the plants with plain water, allowing the excess water to flow out of the pot's drainage holes. The process washes away some of the excess nutrients from the soil and root system. If your plants are in a raised bed or in the ground, simply water without nutrients, skipping a few weeks of fertilizing. Basically, allow time for the fertilizer to be used by the plants before adding more.